Okay. Okay, she'll be better soon. Okay. Bro, wait lang. How's her, sir? She'll be better soon. Okay, what's there? Okay, that's it for today, guys. Okay, what to do now? Okay, come on. Okay, I'm gonna go now. See ya. Oh no, the house is being robbed. Where is the door? Oh no. Where's the TV? Oh no, the house is being robbed. Oh no, my mom's. I'm gonna be in trouble. I'm already grounded for 3 months. Let me see the kitchen. Oh no, what a mess right here. Oh no, what to do right now? My mom, I'm gonna be in big trouble. I'm going to be in big trouble. I'm going to be in big trouble. Ow, my leg. Wait a sec. Oh no. I've been so much trouble. The house is already been robbed. Oh no. The stove. When her mom and dad arrives. What's going on right here?
Tinatch mo ako, girl ka. Isa pa. Tulog ako sa pagtulog. Nahamdam mo sa girl ka for 24.
Okay, what is going on right there?
Tingnan ba?
Ifa? Oh no, the house is being robbed. Where's the TV? What? Guard the house. You were grounded. You were grounded, bruh. Why didn't you guard the house? You are so much in big trouble, huh? After the dad arguing, here you're grounded for life, huh? Why didn't guard the house? I was hanging out with my friends. Sit there in the timeout chair. You're not going there, huh? I told you to guard the house. Why didn't you guard the house now? The house is being robbed. Now I will have to buy new furnitures. First of all, you kill your sister. Now she's in the hospital. And you left the house without my permission. That's it. You're grounded for additional 3 months. Now you're grounded from 9 months. Sit there. The timeout chair. Oh, sorry. Sorry, mom. I'm sorry. I promise I will guard the house. Too bad. Go stay there, ha. We're going to buy new furnitures. There. It's now finished, ha. Look at the house. It's been brand new. Remember to guard the house. No leaving because you're grounded. Ha? You bad boy. You killed your sister. I'm sorry, mom. I wanna apologize to my sister right away. I wanna apologize to her right now. Please. I'm begging you. I don't want to be grounded. I wanna say sorry to my sister. I felt bad for her. I don't want to lose a sister. Forgive him now. Okay, Brylon, you're forgiven. Now, let's visit your sister at the hospital. Now, let's go. What's at their hospital? I'm sorry, sister, for everything. Please forgive me, sister. Okay, excuse me there, little boy. Let me get your sister dad first. Let me give him a syringe. Okay, one more injection coming up. Okay, how's my daughter? She's still recovering. We better. She will be in charge tomorrow. Just tell me if you have notifications. So is he okay now? Yeah. I mean she will be in charge tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Uh, Doc, excuse me please. I wanna say something to my sister. Okay. There, little boy. Go there. I'm sorry, little sister, for stabbing you with the knife. I hope you forgive me. I really want I really don't want to lose you, but she wakes up. Don't worry. Don't worry. But she's still not feeling well. Don't worry, I forgive you, brother. Where are you? Sorry. Where are you? Why is your eyes covered? She's blind. No, sister, I'm sorry for everything. This is all your fault for stabbing me in the eye. I'm sorry. Forgive me, little sister. Forgive me. Okay. Okay, she will be in charge tomorrow. Go here tomorrow or I'll in charge you tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go, mom and dad. Okay, he's cooking something for lunch. Okay. But yay! Playing video games is so fun. Wow. Okay. Okay. Briley's gonna be discharged tomorrow. So the food's ready already. Eat the food's taco. Okay. Okay, guys, food's ready, guys. Oh, I'm still playing video games, Mom. Why can't you wait? Okay, I'm coming. Okay, babe, Okay, I'm coming. Ow! Wait, wait, wait. Okay, Mom. Okay, let's go. Let's go downstairs. Ow. Opens the door. Come on, just go out. Okay. I'm out. Okay, I'm coming. Ow, 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 my head. We slide. We, 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 ow. Okay, I'm coming. Ow, my head. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, okay, I'm coming back. Okay. Yeah, better move the door first. Okay, he went out already. Okay, that I'm here. Okay, son, eat your taco right here. Taco